Firstly, watch this Seedance 2.0 generated video. Today, I will show you how to access and use Seedance 2.0.
In the middle of all this chaos, I suddenly felt like I could see everything clearly.
Let's watch another one with same prompt.
War is chaos. The only order is the one you make for yourself.
Let's watch another Seedance 2.0 generated clip before go for way of access Seedance 2.0 right now without any limitations. I will put the link in description and first comment. You will need to click on the link and sign up to this website for access in Seedance 2.0. No trick, no VPN, no more waiting, just instant access to Seedance 2.0. Anyone now able to access through this website to make videos with Seedance 2.0 video model. Not only Seedance, this website provides almost all AI video generator. It provides Kling 3.0 image to video, Kling 3.0 text to video, Kling 3.0 Omni video. 1-2 update video models, Hailuo AI 2, VO 3.1 image to video, text to video Pika, Sora 2, Grok, Vidu etc. Okay, before generate our first video, let's understand how Seedance 2.0 can be used from this website dashboard. Firstly, select Seedance 2.0 model. Here you can upload reference images up to 6 images. This is optional. If you use this feature, your video will be used your uploaded images as assets when video will be generated. Then reference videos can be uploaded up to 3. You will able to mention your assets in prompt when you will generate your video, and reference audios can be used up to 2 for using your audio clips into generate Seedance video. And you will add your prompt and requirements here. Select any available aspect ratio, and finally select duration for your video is up to 15 seconds for Seedance 2.0 model. I am showing it you later, but before that I want to show you that there is a huge collection and samples of Seedance 2.0 generated videos in prompt collection page, so you can use any prompts for your projects. This was user-generated content with Seedance 2.0 video model. Let's see another example. This generation was also outstanding. Let's see a movie-level cinematic video clip. And we are going to recreate it using this prompt. I am hoping this prompt theme here to generate a new video clip using Seedance 2.0. Simply pasting the copied prompt in this prompt box. Adding an additional line for voiceover. Keeping aspect ration 16:9 and duration 15 seconds, and clicking on generate button. Have to wait for few minutes. I am submitting same prompt again to see the difference between same generation. Let's check how Seedance 2.0 generated video for us.
In the middle of all this chaos, I suddenly felt like I could see everything clearly.
This is insane generation. Let's check our second generated video.
War is chaos. The only order is the one you make for yourself.
If you have any confusion, you can ask me on comment. I will answer all questions one by one. I will keep the link in video description and first comment. Just click on the link and sign up to access Seedance 2.0 and any other AI video models. You have to at least upgrade to Pro Plan. Pro Plan consists with 72,000 credits, unlimited Nano Banana Pro, Seedream version 4 and Flex 2 Pro as well as Seedance 2.0. But I recommend to use Ultra Plan. You will get 144,000 credits to use Seedance 2.0. So without any interruption, without any hesitation, start using Seedance 2.0 right today. And get your full access to Seedance 2.0. Thank you for watching. I also recommend you to watch this video.